Let's go through how to coach a seated pillow squeeze with a focus on core and pelvic floor engagement. This is a great exercise for strengthening the adductors or the inner thighs, improving pelvic floor coordination and activating the deep core. First, we're going to get our client into the right position. We will ask them to sit comfortably on a chair or on the floor with the feet flat on the ground and hip width apart. They're going to place a soft pillow, yoga block or small ball between the knees. They're going to sit tall, lengthening the spine, stacking the ribs over the hips and relaxing the shoulders. They're going to rest their hands on the thighs or by their sides for support. Now, keeping that core and pelvic floor engagement, we're going to move into the squeeze. We'll instruct the client to exhale as they gently squeeze the pillow between the knees, engaging the inner thighs, core and pelvic floor together. They're going to hold the squeeze for 3 to 5 seconds, maintaining steady core engagement. They're going to inhale and slowly release the tension, allowing the pelvic floor and inner thighs to relax. Remember that we're going to pair a pelvic floor relaxation with an inhale and a pelvic floor contraction with the exhale. We can repeat this for 8 to 12 reps, focusing on slow, controlled movement or whatever you prescribe for the client.